Hi, and welcome back to Scratch. Today, we're going to make chocolate-covered peanut butter balls. If you'd like to support the channel, please like and share this recipe. For this, we'll need a stick of butter, 3½ cups of powdered sugar, 1 3/4 cups of chocolate chips, 1½ cups of processed peanut butter, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and an 1/8 teaspoon of salt. We'll start by lining a large sheet pan with wax or parchment paper. While it's possible to do this by hand, I'm going to be using a stand mixer. We'll mix our butter and peanut butter together with the paddle attachment over medium-low speed until well combined, scraping down the sides as necessary. Then we'll add our teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Finally, we'll mix in our powdered sugar, 1/4 cup at a time, until a crumbly dough-like mixture forms. Once we've combined our peanut butter mixture, we'll roll it into approximately 1-inch round balls and place it on our wax or parchment paper lined baking sheet. After forming our peanut butter balls, we'll put them in the freezer for 30 minutes to firm up. Once our peanut butter balls are chilled, we'll fill a medium saucepan, about 1/4 of the way full with water, and heat it on the stovetop over medium-low heat. Once our water begins to simmer, we'll place a heat-safe bowl over our pot and melt our 1 3/4 cups of chocolate chips, stirring occasionally. After melting our chocolate, we'll stick a toothpick into each of our peanut butter balls, dip them in our melted chocolate, allow the excess to drain off, and return them to our wax or parchment paper lined pan. We'll allow our chocolate to set at room temperature for about an hour before refrigerating our candy. We'll serve these chilled or at room temperature. This recipe makes approximately 3 dozen treats. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.